Welcome to GuruKulam Institute, where education meets excellence and innovation. Nestled in the heart of Sector 88, Faridabad GuruKulam Institute stands as a beacon of knowledge and growth. Our campus is not just a place for academic pursuits, but a thriving community where students and faculty come together to create a dynamic learning environment. Here, students collaborate on projects, engage in vibrant extracurricular activities, and build lifelong friendships. The energy on campus is palpable, with every corner buzzing with the enthusiasm of young minds eager to learn and grow. Our dedicated teachers are at the heart of GuruKulam Institute. They are not just educators but mentors who guide students through their academic journey. In classrooms, you will find teachers and students engaging in meaningful discussions, working on group projects, and exploring new ideas together. At GuruKulam, we believe in a holistic approach to education. Our curriculum is designed to challenge students academically while also focusing on character development. In our library, students dive deep into their studies, while our character-building activities help them develop essential life skills. We strive to create an environment where learning is a joyful and lifelong pursuit. Our teachers are passionate about their subjects and are always ready to inspire and support students in their quest for knowledge. Our faculty members are experts in their fields, bringing a wealth of knowledge and experience to the classroom. They work closely with students, providing individual support and guidance to help them achieve their academic goals. At GuruKulam, we celebrate our students' achievements and encourage them to push their boundaries. Whether it's receiving awards for academic excellence or tackling challenging tasks, our students are always striving to reach new heights. Join us at GuruKulam Institute and embark on a transformative journey of education and self-discovery. Here you will find a supportive community, a stimulating environment, and endless opportunities to grow and succeed. Welcome to a place where your potential is nurtured and your dreams are realized. Academic excellence is at the heart of GuruKulam Institute. We offer a diverse range of programs. Our curriculum is designed to meet the evolving needs of the 21st century. We emphasize conceptual clarity and practical application. Our faculty comprises experienced educators and passionate mentors. They employ innovative teaching methodologies to make learning engaging and effective. We foster critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and a spirit of inquiry. At GuruKulam, we believe in active learning. Our students are encouraged to participate, question, and explore. We provide ample opportunities for hands-on experiences and real-world applications. We believe in nurturing curiosity and a love for knowledge. Our classrooms are vibrant spaces. They encourage interaction and collaboration. We foster a sense of ownership over the learning process. Collaboration is a cornerstone of the GuruKulam experience. We believe that students learn best when they learn together. Our classrooms are designed to facilitate group work, peer-to-peer learning, and knowledge sharing. Through collaborative projects, students develop teamwork skills, communication skills, and leadership qualities. They learn to appreciate diverse perspectives and work effectively in teams. We believe that these skills are essential for success in the 21st century. We believe that education extends beyond the confines of the classroom. GuruKulam offers a wide array of extracurricular activities. These activities cater to diverse interests and talents. From sports and athletics to performing arts and creative workshops, there's something for everyone. Our students participate in inter-school competitions, cultural events, and community service initiatives. Section 6. Nurturing creativity, unleashing potential at GuruKulam. At GuruKulam, we believe in nurturing the creative potential of every student. We provide a platform for students to express themselves through various mediums. Our dedicated art studios, music rooms, and performance spaces are hives of creativity. We encourage innovation, experimentation, and out-of-the-box thinking. Our students participate in art exhibitions, music concerts, and theater productions. Section 7. A community of support and growth. GuruKulam Institute is more than just an institution. It is a close-knit community. Here, students from all walks of life come together to form bonds that last a lifetime. Our campus is a melting pot of cultures, ideas, and perspectives, making it a vibrant and dynamic place to learn and grow. We foster a supportive and inclusive environment where every student feels valued and respected. Our community thrives on mutual respect and understanding, ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to succeed. Whether it's through group projects, study sessions, or casual conversations, students find a sense of belonging and camaraderie. Our teachers are not just educators but also mentors and guides. They take the time to understand each student's unique strengths and challenges, providing personalized support to help them achieve their goals. Their dedication goes beyond the classroom, as they are always ready to offer advice and encouragement. They are always available to provide academic support, personal guidance, and encouragement. Whether it's through one-on-one tutoring sessions, office hours, or informal chats, our teachers are committed to helping students navigate their academic journey with confidence and clarity. We believe in creating a home away from home for our students. Our dormitories are designed to be comfortable and welcoming, providing a safe space where students can relax and recharge. Shared meals in the dining area offer opportunities for students to connect and share their experiences, further strengthening the sense of community. Beyond academics, we encourage students to engage in extracurricular activities and community service. These experiences not only enrich their lives, but also help them develop essential skills such as leadership, teamwork, and empathy. At GuruKulam Institute, we are committed to nurturing well-rounded individuals who are prepared to make a positive impact in the world. Section 8. GuruKulam Institute, Your Path to Success. At GuruKulam Institute, we believe that every student has the potential to achieve greatness. Our mission is to guide you on your unique path to success, providing the tools and support you need to excel. GuruKulam Institute is committed to shaping well-rounded individuals who are equipped to excel in all aspects of life. Our classrooms are dynamic environments where students engage with passionate teachers who inspire and challenge them. Beyond academics, we offer a wide range of extracurricular activities that help students discover and develop their talents. From sports to arts, and from debate clubs to science fairs, there is something for everyone. Our holistic approach, academic rigor, and supportive community provide the perfect foundation for success. In our well-equipped laboratories, students get hands-on experience that brings theoretical knowledge to life. Our libraries are treasure troves of information where students can delve deep into subjects they are passionate about. And our sports facilities ensure that students stay active and healthy, learning the importance of teamwork and perseverance. We believe in empowering our students to become lifelong learners, critical thinkers, and responsible citizens. Through activities like debates and project presentations, students hone their communication and analytical skills. Community service initiatives instill a sense of responsibility and empathy, preparing them to make meaningful contributions to society. Our alumni have gone on to achieve great heights in various fields. They are leaders, innovators, and change-makers, making a difference in their respective domains. Whether it's in the corporate world, academia, or public service, our alumni carry forward the values and knowledge they gained at GuruKulam. They are a testament to the quality of education and values instilled at GuruKulam. Our graduation ceremonies are a celebration of our students' hard work and achievements. As they step into the world, they carry with them the lessons learned and the friendships forged at GuruKulam. Join us at GuruKulam Institute and embark on your path to success. Section 9. Join GuruKulam, admissions open now. Embark on a transformative journey of learning and growth at GuruKulam Institute. Admissions are now open for the upcoming academic year. Give your child the gift of quality education. Contact us today to schedule a campus visit and learn more about our programs. Join the GuruKulam family and unlock your child's true potential.